Imagine if your customers could effortlessly place catering orders for any event size, from a 20-person party to a 200-person party, without ever needing to speak with you or your team. Customers simply select their party size and preferred dishes, and our system takes care of the rest. We'll calculate the exact tray sizes and quantities needed, and you'll receive detailed, accurate production reports. So I'll go ahead here and select my buffet style package, and we'll say that this is for 80 people. That's a $1,400 order. We'll be presented with some choices. So first I have to choose my entrees, and I'll select two. Then we'll choose our pasta and our sides. And of course you can customize this however you need. With the 80-person party, we're going to get an extra entree, so I'll go ahead and make a selection. And if we scroll down, we can see this also includes things like paper goods, bread, and salad. And when I click Add to Bag, you'll see that this package was added into the bag, but more importantly, all of our meal selections have been added with the proper size trays and quantity of trays needed for this many people. So a customer could very easily come to your website, place this order, and check out without ever even needing to speak with you. Now let's jump over to the admin side to see what production looks like for you in your kitchen. From the orders page, you can click on any order to see the customer details and the meals they'll be receiving. And if the customer changes their mind, you can make an adjustment at any time. You'll be able to view the menu as if you are a customer, add something to the cart, and then simply click update. For any order, you could always come in and print out a packing slip. This is a professional looking receipt that will include your logo and brand colors and all the details of the order. And we found that many catering companies even use this as a bagging report to make sure that everything is ready when they're making deliveries. But most importantly is the production report. This will tell you how much of each meal you need to make and the sizes that were ordered. If you have a big kitchen with multiple chefs, no problem. You could split this report into different production groups. So maybe you have somebody that works on fried foods, you could print out their list, as opposed to someone who works on just salads, and you could print out theirs as well. And you could, of course, print all of these at once. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out. There's so much more that I want to show you. If you're interested, please book a demo with me or just shoot me an email at danny@goprep.com. Looking forward to hearing from you.